In the 1990s, the BMW Z13 was born, with an exterior design significantly different than what the company was doing at the beginning of the decade. Beyond the odd shape of the body, the people behind the project decided to extend the windshield onto the roof and also gave the Z13 wide rear fenders. While the original plan was to install a water-cooled 4-cylinder horizontally opposed engine, it ultimately received an inline-four borrowed from the BMW K1100 motorcycle. In the new application, the engine mounted at the back, immediately in the front of the rear axle, was detuned from 100 horsepower to only 82 horsepower and linked to a CVT acquired from Ford.